Sending the same email to everyone is one of the fastest ways to lose sales. Segmentation is how top brands make Klaviyo actually profitable. In this video, I'll show you how to segment customers in Klaviyo step by step in 2026 so you send the right message to the right people. All right. First, mindset. Good segmentation is based on behavior, not guesses. What people view, click, buy, or ignore tells you exactly how to sell to them. Demographics matter less than actions. Now, open the segment section in Klaviyo. This is where you create dynamic groups that update automatically as customer behavior changes. Start with your most important segment, engaged customers. Create a segment for people who opened or clicked an email in the last 30 to 60 days. These are the people most likely to buy again. Next, segment by buying behavior. Create separate segments for first-time buyers, repeat buyers, and high-value customers. Each group needs different messaging to increase sales. Now, product interest segmentation. Create segments for people who viewed specific products or categories but didn't purchase. These segments work extremely well for browse and cart recovery. All right? Don't ignore declining customers. Create an at-risk segment for people who haven't opened or purchased in the last 60 to 90 days. This group needs re-engagement, not aggressive sales. Now, put segments to work. Send campaigns first to engaged segments. Use behavior-based segments inside flows to personalize timing and offers. Segments are useless if you don't actually send differently. Finally, maintenance. Archive unused segments and review active ones monthly. Too many outdated segments cause confusion and bad targeting. And that's how to segment customers in Klaviyo for better sales. Behavior-based segments, clear intent, and targeted messaging. Do this consistently and your revenue increases without sending more emails.